Hello students, now we will solve this problem today. Enter the following transactions in a cash book with cash and bank column, means double column cash book. June 1st, commenced business with cash rupees 1 lakh, that is started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. 2nd June, opened a current account in central bank and deposited rupees 80,000. 3rd, further capital introduced rupees 50,000, out of which rupees 40,000 deposited into bank. Now 3rd, goods purchased for rupees 60,000 plus CGST and SGST at 6% each and issued a check for the same. So here CGST, that is central GST and state GST, is given. Let's calculate it at the time of solving the problem in working note and enter the entry in cash book. On 4th, sold goods for rupees 40,000 plus CGST and SGST at 6% each. Check received which was deposited immediately into bank. 8th, sold goods to Ram on credit plus CGST and SGST at 6% each, rupees 15,000. 10th June, received check from Ram in full settlement of his account, rupees 16,500. 12th, check received on 10th June, deposited into bank. 15th June, paid rent by check plus CGST and SGST at 6% each, rupees 4,000. 16th, paid commission by check including CGST and SGST at 6% each, rupees 11,200. 18th, drew check for personal use, rupees 2,000. 25th, withdrew from bank for office use, rupees 10,000. 25th June, received a check from X and endorsed it to Y on 29th June, rupees 6,000. And last entry on 30th June, paid salary rupees 8,000. Okay, so now let's start and pass necessary entries and post the necessary entries in double column cash book. So now let's start the problem. Double column cash book, that is also called as two column cash book. This is debit side and this is credit side, that is receipt side and payment side. June 1st, 2018. June, okay. June 1st, commenced business with cash rupees 1 lakh. It means started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. The owner is giving capital rupees 1 lakh to the business, so cash is coming into the business, so entry will be on receipt side, that is debit side, to capital account. In cash column rupees 1 lakh, dash in bank column. Now on 2nd June, opened a current account in central bank and deposited rupees 80,000. So now we have to withdraw first rupees 80,000 from the cash box and then we will deposit that rupees 80,000 into bank and open the account. So this is a contra entry. On June 2nd, first withdraw rupees 80,000 from cash box, so to bank account, contra entry 80,000 कॅश बॉक्समधनं बाहेर काढलेत आणि 2 जूनला ते बँकेत भरलेत अकाउंट उघडण्यासाठी. सो टू कॅश अकाउंट, कॉन्ट्रा एंट्री, अमाउंट विल बी इन बँक कॉलम. सो नाउ अवर बँक अकाउंट हॅज बीन ओपन्ड इन टू द सेंट्रल बँक. 3rd June, further capital introduced rupees 50,000, out of which 40,000 rupees deposited into bank. So this is the additional capital introduced to capital account. Again additional capital it is. The owner has introduced total rupees 50,000, out of which 40,000 deposited into bank. So 10,000 will be in cash box and 40,000 will be deposited into bank. Okay. Now 3rd June again, goods purchased for rupees 60,000 plus CGST and HGST 6% each and issued a check for the same. So on 3rd June, buy purchases account, as the check has been issued, the amount will be in bank column 60,000. For CGST and HGST, by input CGST, 6% CGST of 60,000, so it will be 3,600, and by input HGST account 3,600, again 6% of rupees 60,000. Okay. Now on June 4th, they told us that sold goods for rupees 40,000 plus CGST and HGST at 6% each. Check received which was immediately deposited into bank. Entry of sale will be on receipt side. So on 4th June, to sales account, amount will be in bank column because we have received check and check was deposited immediately into bank. So bank column, and here on sale there will be output CGST and account 6% of 40,000 CGST and 6% of 40,000 HGST, which is 2,400 and 2,400. Okay, this entry will be passed, and as we have received check, amount will be deposited immediately into bank account. Next entry now. On 8th June, sold goods to RAM on credit plus CGST and HGST at 6% each. This is a credit transaction, so we will not enter any entry in cash book on 8th June. But let's calculate the amount receivable from RAM, because it is entry of goods sold. So on 8th June, they told us that sold goods for rupees 15,000. So credit sale, it is credit sale to RAM is equal to 15,000 rupees. Okay, we have to add 6% CGST and 6% HGST. So %6 of rupees 15,000 is 900. So total amount receivable is 16,800. Amount receivable from RAM 16,800. अंडरस्टूड. रामकडून 16,800 रुपये यायला पाहिजेत. 15,000चा सेल, त्याच्यावर 6% GST CGST सेंट्रल GST, 6% स्टेट GST, असे टोटल 1,800 ॲड होतील. सो टोटल अमाऊंट रिसिवेबल फ्रॉम RAM is 16,800. अंडरस्टूड. We have calculated this amount, but we will not enter it in cash book because this is a credit transaction. Understood? Now next, on 10th June, received check from RAM in full settlement of his account rupees 16,500, but this check was deposited on 12th June. So on 10th June we will pass journal entry for it. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला जर्नल एंट्रीज पास करायला सांगितलेले नाही आहेत, सो मी जर्नल ड्रॉ केलेलं नाही आहे, पण इन वर्किंग नोट वी विल पास द जर्नल एंट्री ऑन 10th June for better understanding. 10th June, they told us that received check from RAM in full settlement of his account rupees 16,500, Amount receivable from Ram was 16,800, but we have received a check from Ram of rupees 16,500. So we have allowed discount of rupees 300 to him. So the entry will be as usual, check in hand, account debit 16,500, discount allowed account debit 300 to Ram's account 16,800, in full settlement of 16,800. Understood? So we have passed one entry in working note on 10th June. Now the next, 12th June, check received on 10th June deposited into bank. So now the check received will be deposited into bank. So on 12th June, on receipt side of cash book, to check in hand account, amount rupees 16,500 in bank column, as check has been deposited into bank. Okay. Next, paid rent by check plus CGST SGST 6%, rupees 4,000, means rent paid rupees 4,000 plus 6% CGST, 6% SGST. So on 15th June, by rent account, amount of rent is rupees 4,000, by input CGST, by input SGST account, 6% of rupees 4,000, so it will be rupees 240, 240 CGST, 240 SGST. Okay. Now next entry, paid commission by check including SGST and CGST 6% each, rupees 11,200. So again, by commission account on 16th June, by commission account, by commission account, commission amount is rupees, see here, commission account is not given, input CGST and SGST we have to calculate here. So let's calculate. Now again, here total amount is given of commission rupees 11,200, but SGST and CGST amounts, that is 6% amount each, is included in 11,200 commission. So let's see how much commission is how much CGST and SGST is payable. So on the date is 16th June, just calculate, we will calculate the CGST and SGST in this commission. Assume commission is equal to 100, so 6% CGST and 6% SGST will be rupees 6. So total amount payable will be, total payable commission rupees 112 in case of 100. Okay. So now we will calculate in this way, total payable and original commission. When total payable amount is 112, original commission is rupees 100, then here the payable commission is 11,200 including CGST and SGST. Then what is the original commission? Okay, so 11,200 upon 112 into 100, 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. It means original commission amount is 10,000. On that amount 6% means 600 rupees CGST and 600 rupees SGST. So total amount payable is 11,200. Understood? In this way we have to calculate here. Now Let's pass the entry in cash book just like rent. Here by commission 10,000, by input GST account, $600 and 600, total 11,200 as per the given amount was paid as commission by check. Okay, now next entry on 18th June, drew check for personal use rupees 2,000. So this is the entry of drawings on 18th June. By drawings account 2,000 in bank column, as the owner has withdrawn rupees 2,000 from by check from the bank. Now on 25th, withdrew from bank for office use rupees 10,000. This is the contra entry because the owner is withdrawing from bank rupees 10,000, म्हणजे बँकेतून 10,000 रुपये गेलेत and it is for office use, so the cash will come in cash box. Okay, so this is a contra entry on 25th. First, withdraw from bank rupees 10,000. So by cash account, contra entry, withdraw rupees 10,000 from bank column, that is bank account, and then we will brought that amount in cash box for office use. So to bank account, contra entry in cash box rupees 10,000. Understood? This is a contra entry. Now again on 25th, received a check from X and endorsed it to Y on 29th June. Now we have received a check but not deposited the check into bank, and directly that check was endorsed to Y on 29th June. So we have to pass journal entry for this. I will show it here. On 25th June, June 25th, this working note should be part of your answer. हे नीट लक्षात ठेवा. Keep it in mind always. On June 5th, entry for check received from X rupees 6,000. So entry will be check in hand, account debit rupees 6,000 to X's account rupees 6,000. Understood? And now on June 29th again, this check was endorsed to Y. So Y's account debit the receiver 6,000 to check in hand account 6,000. Check received and check endorsed. So this entry will not be passed in cash book, but it will be passed in journal proper. Understood? Now next entry. Paid salary rupees 8,000. This is easy entry. On 30th June, by salary account, amount will be in cash column, कारण check असं सांगितलेलं नाही, so it will be paid in cash. Okay, now we have to tally cash account, and that is cash column and bank column. First cash column, debit total is easy 1,20,000, credit total is 88,000. So 1,20,000, 1,20,000, debit total 1,20,000, credit total is 88,000. So the difference will be 32,000. That is, the balance is 32,000. So 32,000 is the balance of cash column. Now bank column. It is 1,81,300. Now credit total. It is 94,880. So the difference it is 86,420. So 1,81,300. 1,81,300 and the balance is 86,420. ओके. अँड ऑन 30 जूनला 30च दिवस असतात, त्यामुळे लास्ट डेट 30च आहे. 30 जून बाय बॅलन्स carried down. Cash balance is 32,000. Bank balance is 86,420. It will be brought down on the first day of next month. After June, it is July 1st. Two balance brought down. 32,000 cash balance, 86,420 bank balance. In this way, they will start entering the transactions in the month of July in this double column cash book. Okay. In this way, we have to solve the entries when there are entries of central GST and state GST. So now solve this problem in your notebook. These working notes are compulsory, and then study it very well. If there is any doubt, you can ask. That's all.